Exceptional, love this place. I would and will come back. Amazing stay, extremely friendly check-in staff, super clean room, lots of parking spaces, neat and great location. Nice find. I really enjoyed my stay at the Hollywood Hotel. Great value for the money. A beautiful little pool was a great surprise. Spacious room. Great bathroom with lots of hot water and pressure. Nice linens and pillows. Will definitely make this my home in Hollywood. Calm, clean and near. All Hollywood Hotel is beautiful from outside, especially at night. Very clean inside. The beds are so comfortable. There's vending machines to get water bottles and any last-minute items before you to go the room if needed. Snacks and drinks. The staff at reception are so kind. The cleaners are lovely too. Only downfall I give feedback is, there should be a clean me sign for the room. There isn't one. One night, the room was not cleaned as they came at 8:30 am and we were still sleeping. So they didn't clean the room. Other than that, very clean hotel. Mini fridge, cozy rooms, good lighting, powerful shower, great. Metro 2 minutes away walking distance. We got the Metro $2 per ride to Universal Studios. It only took us 10 minutes to get to Universal City. The downtown strip where there's shops, cafes and street music is so close to on, Metro can be used for that too. Venice Beach an hour away from hotel by Uber. But other than that, was so close to all we wanted to go to, as well as hotel was just great. The hotel canteen where we had breakfast, the lady was so nice. She served us all the days. So kind. No other places nearby to have breakfast, so we had no choice to have at hotel. But there was a variety of items to order from. Thank you to the hotel team. Great hotel, professional staff, clean room, centrally located, and great value. Exceptional cute hotel, clean, friendly with big rooms, comfortable bed and cute pool area. I recommend.